Push it on the bank, push it on the bank. Shift. Oh, wait, no, you're good, Shift. Hold on. We're in the bank, Dave. Good. 6. I'm in the bank. I'm behind you, Brad. Right on the other side of you, James. Oh, guy. Fuck, I got lit up. Oh, shit. Hit! Behind the van! Not viewing window. It, good one.
This is going to be a semi. Automatic
Semi-Brad.
One action perspective in the middle. Whoever has blue race must tap in the middle. Blue race must tap in the middle.
One to your right, James. One to your right. Nope. Oops, sorry. I'm going to move up a little bit. Fuck, good shot. Shit. Yeah, damn, he hit my finger. Don't hit me. God, he hit my fucking thumb. A good one. Shit, god damn it. Right on the other side of the screen! Ooh, yeah, we're getting the shorty out after this one.
9, 8, 7.
I'm here to get good camera footage. Hit. Shit. Oh, it's always something. Sure. Shoot more. Don't suck, Brad. Do better. Is it clear?
He's coming up that left side.
I see a shadow. I see a shadow. Ooh, he didn't. He's not calling it. Hit. Oh, right there. Is it clear over there? You got him? You got them both?
Yeah.
Sorry. Hit. Is it clear over there? He's on the other side of that wall right there. We'll move up. He's right there still. He's right there on this.
3 minutes.
Oh, nice. Woo! Hit. Oh, I got you again. Hit. Good one. Got him. Okay, go. Good. Scan it, it's right there. Is that it? He's still there. Got him. Oh, hit, good shot. I'm coming back. James, you're 10 o'clock, you're 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, you're 9 o'clock. Oh, he's there too. What's up? Whoa, he's there. sorry, guys.
One ejected.
Yes, I did. I did. He's in there. Oh, he's on it. He's out. Oh, hit. Oh, shit, good shot. He's still there. Yep, he's behind it. You got a lane, Brad? Hit! Fuck, you got me. Got him. Go in the bank. I'm gonna go in the bank. Oh, hit.
Watch your left, Brian. Watch your left.
Are they in the bank? Oh shit! Hit! Oh, I got you. Oh. Is he in the door? Window! Hold it down, Brad.
Pass away.
Hit! Got the kid! He's on the other side of this. Wall team respawn! Oh shit. Tell me when it's clear. Good shot. I got it. Go, salute. View window. Behind you. Hit. Oh shit. Clear behind you, James. Looks clear. He's in the saloon! He's low! Coming low, watch out! I don't know where he is. God, yeah. Oh. Come back, James. Corner of the window still, got it locked down. Good one, holy shit! That was a good shot! Hit! Wait, I'm gonna go in the middle.
There, 4 in green.
Come on! He's over there somewhere. Shotgun guy. Hit! Damn it. I got him. Good trade. Alright. Reload. Get this motherfucker. Reload! Good shit, bro. Good game. Yeah, that's not locked down. Good stuff, bro.